All right, let's talk again about fighting up close. And there's a few things that I forgot to mention last time we talked about this. First of all, we don't ever want to be directly in front of this person. That's called the inside position, and that's not where we want to be. Assuming that this guy from up close is going to punch you or hit you with his right hand, a big overhand punch or swing a club or something like that, you can see that I've drawn, the skinny jeans, so this might be an Antifa protester or something like that. And if you're an old guy like me, you'll be thinking about those skinny jeans the whole time. You won't even pay attention to what's going on. You're inside here fighting, okay? Gunfights are close. They happen very rapidly. This time I happen to be using the J-frame revolver, and a little Serpa holster that we have for this revolver. But the one thing that you need to remember, like we told you before, is get that offhand out of the way, and you're not going to be using it to move your shirt and draw your gun. You're going to be using it to defend yourself. To defend yourself, drive that elbow up behind your head and step in. Step into this shoulder joint where he's swinging. That stops the swing and protects you. Then draw your gun and fire right into the belly. Right here as you back up and get some more space. We can do that again. Practice this. You can practice it on a target. Move out of that inside position, and you see the swing coming, get the hand up and step into it. And remember, from in here, you're firing a couple of rounds, then I want you to step back and get some distance and assess. Remember, you can only use objectively reasonable amount of force. If from this inside position, if from right in front of him, you put rounds into the pelvic girdle or 2 into the chest, you might have to stop using force. That might be enough to stop him. It might not. But we need you to fight and assess and fight again if you need to. So you've got to be paying attention to all of these elements when you're involved in an extreme close quarters battle situation. Remember, protect your head, fire into the body, and then move and reassess. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. Let's keep this conversation going. What are you doing to train to fight in close and defend yourself in an extreme close quarters battle situation? If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. And hey, click that notifications bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.